I would say my biggest wins as a facilitator is really witnessing the transformation of my students and my clients, of the people that come to join with me, from stopping alcoholism, like stopping drinking, to watching my own son come out of his shell over a period of like 6 months and stop being afraid of women, to buying his first truck and, and getting over that thing, and asking for raises at work, not more than one, right? And starting to date women that before he felt were out of his class, and starting to really come up with a plan and follow through. And I credit the 90 breathwork journeys on that. And as a facilitator, to know that all I'm doing is holding my Reiki energy space, my master healer quantum energy healing space for my clients, for my people. So I get to be in that high vibe state. And then I get to witness the stepping stones of freedom that they experience along the way. And to me, that's the most rewarding thing. And there's others, like, the community, and getting me past my own comfort zones and me growing personally. Those are secondary to what I just described. Sending love and light.